Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be another home decor and furniture dupes video, but I figured this time I would kind of switch it around. Usually in these videos, I show you the more like luxury, I guess, or like high-end thing that I have in my house and then share dupes for the things that I actually have. But I decided in today's video, I would show you the dupes that I have in my house and the more affordable things that I have purchased over the years, and then show you images of kind of my inspiration behind getting these dupes and the more luxury, expensive item on the screen, and then the affordable item in my house. So I hope that makes sense. We're just kind of switching it around just to, you know, give you guys some range. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to see the dupes that I have in my house, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, you all know how much I pride myself in putting the best of the best as far as home decor in this house. Well, of course, I have to put the best of the best inside my body, and that comes with taking a quality multivitamin. And the one that I have been taking recently is from Ritual. If you have never heard of Ritual, I'm about to put you on. They have multivitamins that range from multivitamins for women over 50, but the one that I take is the essentials for women 18 plus. I've been taking it for a while now. I've actually talked about Ritual on my channel before, and I love their vitamins. What I love best about it is the ingredients. The ingredients are traceable, it's high quality, it's vegan, gluten-free, lots of different allergen-free ingredients, which is really, really nice. You wanna know what you're putting in your body. You wanna be aware of what you are taking. And I know by taking Ritual, it's gonna be the best of the best. I also love that there is a delayed release with these capsules. So when you take the capsules themselves, they actually release when they get to the small intestine. So it's a later release compared to other multivitamins, which is nice because you can take it with or without food. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but sometimes I forget to take my multivitamin after I have a meal or with a meal. So this is nice that I can pretty much take it whenever. I don't have to schedule it around a meal. So I will have everything linked down below. You can check out Ritual for yourself. And not only that, there is definitely a code that you can use. You can use code Carolinelle30 to get 30% off your first month's order. So definitely check them out. If you want to step up your health ritual, check out Ritual down below in the description box. So yeah, you guys, with all of that being said, if you want to see my home decor dupes that are in my house, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, we are upstairs in the playroom, and the first dupe that I have in my house is a dupe for this West Elm chair. It is gorgeous. I want you to keep in mind that a dupe is not a replica. It might not look exactly identical, but it can give you the same vibe. Ooh, I'm like out of breath from running up those steps, but it can give you the same vibe. And I feel like this chair does exactly that. I will have this linked down below. Briella's little baby stroller parked next to it, but I love this boucle chair. I think this is gorgeous. Let me move this blanket out of the way. But I absolutely love this chair. It is incredibly soft. I love the boucle material. I love the wooden legs at the bottom as well. We also have the matching ottoman right here that I think is really nice. Honestly, we just spend a lot of time in this corner reading. So to me, this is the perfect reading nook area chair. I think it's really nice. It's soft. We've had it for years at this point. There's barely any stains on it, which is really, really nice and honestly shocking. I love the barrel frame of this chair as well. I just think it's really nice. It's a really great dupe, especially for where we use it in a playroom. I did not want to get anything super duper expensive because I kind of already had in my mind that it might get messed up, it might get colored on because it is in a playroom. But luckily, fingers crossed, it doesn't happen in the future, but luckily we haven't had any issues. I love it so much. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, so for this next one, I actually have the dupe as well as the more like expensive item, and it is this full length mirror. If you've been following for a while, I shared this before. I have it here in the Glamroom closet. I love this mirror. It's very, very tall. I want to say it's like 76 inches. I think I could be totally wrong. I'm pretty sure it's in the 70s, either 72 by 36 or 76. I don't remember, but it is a gold framed full length mirror, and I think it's perfect for where it is in our closet because it is so thin. So that is like the main giveaway, is that it's very, very thin. The gold itself is also like a different shade of gold, but in my opinion, if you were putting it honestly anywhere, like it will do the job. It looks just like the CB2 full length mirror, and I just really, really like it. If you were putting it obviously in a closet like this, you want something a little bit thinner so that it doesn't take up too much space in your closet, unless you have all the room in the world, then go for it. But I really like this one, and I figured since I have it in person, I'll show you the CB2 one as well. So it looks like this. Yeah, I think this one might be a little bit taller. It's hard to tell, but it is gold. It looks very, very similar. Honestly, maybe the gold is not that different, but it's a lot thicker. So I have it here in this corner because there's just a lot more space over here. And yeah, it's just a nice rectangular, very modern mirror. So this is the CB2 one that's a little bit more pricey, and the one that I just showed you is super duper affordable. Okay, and since we're over here in my glam room, I wanted to show you this closet system. I get questions about this whenever I show my glam room on Instagram. This whole entire system is from Ikea, you guys. It is super affordable. This is technically a dupe because the more expensive like option is getting a professional or going with someplace like a California Closets and getting a custom closet made for your space. This is a great dupe option. The only downside that I do have is that obviously it's not perfectly fitted to the closet. So I have like a little bit of space here on this side. It's a little bit gappy in between here and then over on there as well. So it's not like perfectly fitted to my closet. But this is as fitted as I could get it. I love this. I also love the fact that we have lights. Hold on, let me see if I can. Oh, it's unplugged. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so here we go. We have lights. I also love that we have the lights going on up here. So if I wanted to turn off this overhead, like this is what it looks like. And it just looks so luxe and glamorous. And I really, really like the way it like shines on the bags and shoes over there. It's like my favorite part. Okay, so next up, still in the bedroom. Oh my gosh, ignore those crooked candles. Like they're a mood, honestly. So over here, we kind of have this like entryway situation going on in our bedroom, but specifically I wanted to talk about the art light up here. This art light is a dupe. This is very inexpensive. It's battery operated. I really like it. I like the effect of it. I think it looks awesome. But the more expensive, I guess, luxury option is this art light from Shades of Light. You guys, I honestly love this art light. Like it looks so beautiful. I think it looks awesome. But this one that I have here in the bedroom is a more affordable option, as well as just getting a battery operated light in general. The one from Shades of Light, the more expensive one, you have to have it hardwired. This is not hardwired. It is just, like I said, battery operated. So the whole process of installing a light, you have to think is a little bit more pricey, as well as the light itself is a little bit more pricey, a lot of bit more pricey, honestly. But if you're trying to save some coin, this is also a great option. Okay, so moving on to the dining room. Shout out to the dining room tour that I just uploaded. If you have not seen that, I will have it linked up in the cards. You can check out the tour to check out this entire room. But I wanted to focus on this wall art back here. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show just because the glare. I tried closing the curtains, but anyway, I'll move up super close so you can see. It's this wall art right here. I love this piece. This is a Home Goods find. Every time I go into a Home Goods, I see wall art like this. It's basically like, I don't know how you would describe it, like a textured material art piece that's framed. And on Restoration Hardware, they have something very, very similar. It's almost like a textured fabric, like a leaf. It looks like a large leaf, and it kind of gives me that same vibe. So again, it is not a replica. It is not identical, but if you want the vibe of like a framed 3D modern kind of earthy art piece, this is a great option. So I wanted to show you all these white vases. Again, this was in the dining room tour, obviously, but these vases are a dupe. I have purchased vases pretty much from like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, like I said, Hobby Lobby, very affordable places. That's where all of these came from. And honestly, they're excellent dupes for Pottery Barn vases. To me, it looks just like it. It's this same vibe, like especially this one here. Pottery Barn has a whole collection, honestly, like a whole website full of white vases, cream colored, ivory colored vases that look just like this for so much more money. So you can DIY. Some of these in the cabinet are DIY'd. You can purchase them from super inexpensive places and get the same look. Okay guys, so moving on to the living room. This tree right here is a dupe. I purchased trees from this specific place multiple times. I want to say maybe I have like 3 or 4, maybe even like 5 faux trees from this place, and they never fail me. They're so good. They're such great dupes to more high-end faux trees. I feel like, again, this is another area where you can really cut corners, get something nice, and not have to spend too much money. There are some faux trees like on Restoration Hardware, West Elm, Crate and Barrel, places like that, that are, I want to say, like 3-4 times the price of this one. What I really look for with faux trees is the height. So how tall it is. I try to get trees that are taller than 6 foot, like 6, 7, 8 foot trees are ideal, because to me, they just obviously take up so much space, but they are eye-catching. They give that wow factor. Okay, and moving on to the sunroom, I wanted to talk about this mirror. This mirror is a dupe from a mirror on Lulu and Georgia. This was like, I want to say like half or a quarter of the price of the one from Lulu and Georgia. It looks just like it. The one on Lulu and Georgia has many different colors as well. There's a gold one, I'm pretty sure, a silver, maybe black and white. I could be completely wrong, but this one here is from Home Goods. This is another Home Goods find. You can find mirrors like these also at like Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, and next up, I wanted to show a dupe for some faux stems. These faux stems are from Hobby Lobby. I love the dried florals from Hobby Lobby. I think they have such a great selection and they just look so nice, realistic. They look just beautiful in the vase over here. I absolutely love them. You can get a bunch of them. They're super duper affordable and they are great dupes to some faux stems at other places like a floral, even places like West Elm, Crate and Barrel, places like that that have like more like high-end, more expensive, high price tag florals. I think these are a great option, a great dupe. They're obviously like dried stems. You could put them in so many different places, so many different vases, and I think they look awesome. So yeah, you guys, those are all of the dupes. Not all. There's definitely more dupes in my house, but those are all the dupes for today. But don't forget to definitely check out Ritual. I will have the code, like I said, CarolynL30 to save you 30% off your first month down below. And yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And we, all of my dupes, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.